Hi guys! Welcome back to Reyes Kitchen. So for today, ang gagawin naman nating recipe ay very easy. At ito ay ang cheesy tuna pasta. So if you are pressed for time, maganda itong recipe na to. Especially yung mga ingredients nito ay usually matatagpuan natin sa ating pantry. Okay, so the ingredients that we need are Classico pasta sauce. You can also use original style Ragu pasta sauce. I have canned tuna, 1 canned tuna that I already drained. We have evaporated milk. I have garlic, onions, butter, velveeta cheese slices. And for this recipe, we're gonna use spaghettini. So all the ingredients and the measurements and procedures on how to do this dish will be on my description box below. So let's get started. Okay, so first thing that I did was pinakuluan ko na yung pasta para habang nagsosote tayo ng ating mga ingredients, mabilis na siyang matapos. Okay, so let's get started. Mainit na yung ating pan. Let's put our butter. Okay, let's put a little bit of oil para hindi masunog yung ating butter. We can also start sweating our onions. Okay, so hintayin lang natin na maging translucent ang ating onions. Okay, we can add our garlic. So once na okay na yung ating garlic, we can add in our tuna. By the way, you can also use regular tuna, or you can also use hot and spicy para medyo may flavor. Pero I recommend using just original para maging kid-friendly version. So halo-halo lang natin. Ayan. Okay, so at this point, idadagdag na natin ang ating pasta sauce. Okay. I'm only using half the jar of the pasta sauce kasi konti lang ang lulutuin ko. Okay, so once na kumukulo-kulo na yung ating sauce, we can add our velveeta cheese slices. Okay. So, ihalo lang natin siya until ma-incorporate na siya sa ating sauce. So, once na nasama na natin ang ating cheese slices and kumukulo-kulo pa rin siya, we can add our evap. And then, ihalo lang natin siya. And then, pahukuluin lang natin siya ng konti para medyo mag-thicken na yung ating sauce. And then, pwede niyo kayong mag-add ng salt and pepper if needed. So, guys, okay na yung ating pasta sauce. Ayan, medyo nag-thicken na siya. So, ita-transfer ko lang siya sa plate and then titikman na natin. Okay, guys, so ready na ang ating cheesy tuna pasta. Ito na siya. And for more cheesier taste, dadagdagan ko siya ng Eden cheese topping sa ibabaw. So, tikman na natin. Mmm! super sarap niya guys and super simple gawin. So, try nyo na rin. So, that's it for today guys. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating cheesy tuna pasta recipe. And sana matry nyo din siya at home very soon. And as always, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos. See you again! Bye!